Let's start off by talking about why we need to rewrite history. Well, we have to ask, why do we need the history in the first place? We need it to see what was changed, why, and when. If our commit messages are not meaningful, or if our commits are too large and contain unrelated changes, or if they're too small and scattered all over the history, then we're not going to be able to extract meaningful information from the history. We want a clean, readable history that tells the story of our project, how it's evolved from day one. That's where rewriting the history comes in. If we have small related commits, we can squash them into a single commit that represents a logical change set. On the other hand, if we have a large commit that contains a lot of unrelated changes, we can split that commit into a bunch of smaller commits, each representing a logically separate change set. We can also reward commit messages so they're more meaningful. If we made commits by accident, we can drop them. We can also modify the content of our commits. So if you forgot to include a file in a commit, we can go back and modify that commit. These are the operations we can perform in Git to produce a clean, readable, and meaningful history. But rewriting history can be a dangerous operation, and you need to know what you're doing before touching the history. That's what we're going to talk about next.